Code of Hammurabi. The Code of Hammurabi is one of the earliest and most complete written legal codes, proclaimed by the Babylonian king Hammurabi, who reigned from 1792 to 1750 before Christ. This code is a collection of 282 laws inscribed on a stele and sets out rules for commercial interactions and prescribes penalties for breaches of contract, establishing the principle that the punishment should fit the crime. It covers a wide range of topics, including family law, civil law, and criminal law, reflecting the social, economic, and legal complexities of its time. Here are some notable provisions related to contract law and other areas. Contract law and commercial transactions. Law 100. If a merchant gives an agent corn, wool, oil, or any other goods to transport, the agent must give a receipt for the amount, and repay the merchant accordingly. If the agent is negligent and does not transport the goods as specified, he must repay the merchant. Law 104. If a merchant entrusts a ship to a shipmaster, the shipmaster must return the ship and cargo safely to the merchant. If he fails to do so, he must compensate the merchant for the ship and whatever was lost. Law 122. If a man gives his garden to a gardener to cultivate, the gardener must give a portion of the produce to the owner of the garden, as per their agreement. Property and family law. Law 21. If a man breaks into a house, he shall be put to death before the breach and buried there. Law 129. If a married lady is caught in adultery with another man, both the lady and the man must be tied and thrown into the water, but the husband may pardon his wife. Law 143 to 145. These laws deal with the dowry of a wife and the inheritance rights of children, specifying how property is to be divided among sons and what provisions should be made for daughters. Criminal law. Law 196. If a man put out the eye of another man, his eye shall be put out, an example of the lex talionis, law of retaliation, principle. Law 200. If a man knocks out the teeth of his equal, his teeth shall be knocked out. Labor and wages. Law 272 to 273. These laws specify the wages to be paid to an ox driver or a shepherd. Other provisions. The code also includes laws on slander, theft, liability, and divorce, providing a comprehensive legal framework for the society of that time. It is a foundational document in the history of law, illustrating early principles of justice that have influenced subsequent legal systems.